something exists in one state and it transforms into another state. So we know that the caterpillar transforms into the butterfly. It doesn't become the butterfly. All that it takes to be a butterfly is already inside of the caterpillar. And that's the way it is with us. See, we are